Assalamu alaikum, all GSM friend. Good news. Realme Nazo N63 RMX 3939 network unlock file. No online submit. Directly, only 5 seconds. You're finished network unlock. Okay? Region lock, network unlock, 100% working. But paid file. The download. Any problem? Imo and WhatsApp are not 24-hour service. Next, Techno CL9 flash file 100% trusted. iPhone okay. Next, Nokia G22 TA 1528 Peace Farmer last version date mode. Only SPD driver show. Okay, this file download. Imo and WhatsApp are now 24-hour service and Telegram joined. Next, Redmi Note 12 Sunstone convert to China Global. True file download. 100% trusted. Now see, download 5G and 12 Suns convert to Global. Chinese 2. 100% trusted. Other, the client order, this I'm very confused. A server submit, your code send mila, IME send mila, your IME no need, your server no need. Just solution and file. One click, the network unlock, region lock finish. Okay, all GSM friend, at past my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. Okay, your Facebook share and YouTube channel description no link, just link comment box check now. Comment box check now, the no link emergency any browser open. Okay, now see browser open and Google now the right Borsha mobile. Okay, please wait just a minute. Now write. One click. Your blogger opening. Okay, just search blogger. MX 3939. Okay, search bar. Few minutes and flash file and network unlock file. Okay, next network unlock file. One click. Just a minute. 100% trusted. This file and solution. No need submit IME. No need code. Just one click. Download but paid file. Any problem, chat now 24-hour service. WhatsApp and Imo and Telegram join it. Goodbye.